Hi, welcome to my channel. Measure, mix and make MMM. Do you know what science says about fenugreek? Yes, here I will tell you. Fenugreek is made up of bioactive compounds. One of them is called galactomannan. Yes, galactomannan is primary metabolite. It functions to slow down carbohydrate digestion and absorption, thereby prevent rapid spike in post-meal blood sugar, which we normally term diabetes. Also, fenugreek contains 4-hydroxyisoleucine. This helps to stimulate insulin sensitivity and helps to regulate blood sugar level, especially in type 2 diabetes. Also, fenugreek helps to improve glucose digestion by enhancing the way body tissue absorbs and use glucose. Isn't this amazing? Now let's look at the benefits of fenugreek. One key benefit of fenugreek is reduction of blood sugar level. Fenugreek also helps in cholesterol reduction, which could lead to things like stroke, collapse, heart disease, and so on and so forth. Also, fenugreek helps to improve breast milk supply. For women out there, lactating mothers, fenugreek is good in terms of breast milk. If your breast milk is not flowing, pumping, or rushing, fenugreek can help you do the wonder and improve breast milk supply. Here we are going to make fenugreek tablets that will last long for you. After producing it, you can keep the tablets and use at will. Okay, that's why we are here today, to produce fenugreek tablets for diabetes reduction, cholesterol reduction, or breast milk boost. All right, now we are going to formulate our fenugreek tablet. What we need here is our fenugreek seed powder and our binder, guar gum. You can also use acacia powder. You can also use honey or glycerin, but I am using guar gum. Now we measure 6 grams of fenugreek into our bowl. We add to 0 and measure 6 grams. This is exactly 6 grams of fenugreek. You turn into your bowl. 0.5 grams of guar gum. Here my scale is reading 16. I will add now it is 17 grams. So I will take half of this. I will now stir. Now I will sprinkle a little water. The guar will serve as binder to help hold the powdered fenugreek together. I will stir very well to mix the two powders together. Now let's mode our manual mode. You now put your powder into the cavities. Make sure you fill the cavities very well. Okay, you put the top mode, just as I did. Now you to compress the powder. After heating, you now press out the tablet, just as I'm demonstrating. You see, because it has stiffened, you just tap the edges of the mold. Then you release your tablet. This is our tablet. Can you see? This is our fenugreek tablet. You just repeat the process. If your mixture is more than this, you keep following the process. Remember, as I told you, there are other things we can use to make this, but I decided to make it direct by using only fenugreek and the guar. Why I use guar is because I will be sure that when you are taking it, you are taking mainly fenugreek powder that will help to reduce blood sugar, especially for those suffering from type 2 diabetes. If you mold it like this, you will see that you will not be feeling the hyper expenses attached to the ailment. Now you hit. Can you see? Isn't this good? Isn't this amazing? This is your Fenugreek tablet. We are going to dry it a little more so that it will be consistent and last long. So to do that, we will now use our oven. I will just take small of this baking paper. This is simple and straightforward. I will encourage you to do it at home. Okay, now we are going to oven dry our fenugreek tablet for 45 minutes at the temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. Alright, now our time is over. The drying is completed. We will now take it out. Wow, this is the fenugreek tablet. You can put this in your container and keep it safe. One in the morning, one in the night. Just always start it small and watch how it works. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.